My name is Sam Olson. I'm 65 years old and live in a small town near Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, together with my dear wife, Daisy. I want you to know right from the beginning that I'm not a doctor, nor a hearing aid specialist. I recently retired after a 40-year career as a medicinal chemist. It's a crucial job, as people who are sick rely on us for relief. Now, as I near the end of my career, I want to share all the mountains of knowledge I've gathered all these years regarding hearing and how to take proper care of your ears. Hearing loss isn't fatal, but it can lead to a number of health-related issues down the line. After all, ear care not only improves your hearing health, but your overall health as well. You see, maintaining ear health is a lifelong process. And taking steps to protect your hearing can help you enjoy music and conversation without strain, and having healthy ears might even enable you to have better balance and a reduced risk of accidents and falls in your senior years. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. Here are some simple things you can do each day to help achieve that goal. 1. Use earplugs around loud noises. Approximately 15% of Americans have noise-induced hearing loss because of loud work or leisure environments. Clubs, concerts, lawnmowers, chainsaws, and any other noises that force you to shout so the person next to you can hear your voice all create dangerous levels of sound. Earplugs are convenient and easy to obtain. You can even have a pair custom fitted for your ears by your local hearing healthcare provider. 2. Turn the volume down. According to the World Health Organization, 1.1 billion teenagers and young adults worldwide are at risk for noise-induced hearing loss from unsafe use of audio devices. If you like to enjoy music through headphones or earbuds, you can protect your ears by following the 60/60ths rule. The suggestion is to listen with headphones at no more than 60% volume for no more than 60 minutes a day. Earbuds are especially dangerous, as they fit directly next to the eardrum. If possible, opt for over-the-ear headphones. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. 3. Don't allow water to get in your ear. While enjoying your favorite water sports such as swimming, water skiing, surfing, diving, etc., it is important to protect your ears from the water and prevent it from entering into the ear canal. The use of earplugs is advisable, especially if you are susceptible to frequent ear infections. 4. Maintain good ear hygiene. Taking care of your hearing means maintaining good ear hygiene, but remember to clean your ears carefully and use products that are specially designed for this purpose. It is good to remember that earwax is a natural protector of the ear, and unless its amount is excessive, thickened and causing problems, it should not be removed, especially with the help of cotton buds that may damage the ear canal or eardrum. 5. Get up and move. Did you know that exercise is good for your ears? It's true. Cardio exercises like walking, running, or cycling gets the blood pumping to all parts of your body, including the ears. This helps the ear's internal parts stay healthy and working to their maximum potential. Make sure to stay safe. When cycling, always wear a helmet. If you fall and hit your head, a concussion can harm your hearing. My lifetime vision is that of a world where everybody can easily and affordably manage their lives with this consuming affection. That's why I've spent most of my research activity trying and testing various ways that could really make a positive impact on people's lives. And after many trials, I've perfected a simple, yet powerful formula, consisting of amazing vitamins and plants, such as ginkgo biloba, St. John's wort flower heads, vinpocetine seeds, huperzine A aerial plant and L-glutamine. I truly believe this formula is a work of art. That's why I couldn't keep this all to myself. So, together with the help of some friends who own a small supplement company, I've decided to produce it and make it available for everybody. I had just one non-negotiable request. The ingredients needed to be the real thing. pure, sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no herbicides, 100% effective, prepared the right way and in the right amount in order to keep their properties intact, safe, processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipments. After all my requirements were 100% met, we finally had the final product. We called it Sharp Ear. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. We are regularly disinfecting the equipment used to process the ingredients and package our supplements. Sharp Ear capsules are non-GMO and safe. Also, it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and it's not habit-forming. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.